an angel told Mary she would have a special baby, the Son of God. Mary and Joseph traveled to Bethlehem.
Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to create animated Christmas cartoon videos using AI. No animation experience needed. We'll also bring the Christmas Bible story, the birth of Jesus, to life with AI. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. Generate script and prompts. First, we need a script and all the prompts for our project. Open ChatGPT and ask it to generate the story script, image prompts for each scene, and image-to-video prompts for animation. You can write your own request or simply use the ready-made prompt I've shared in the description below. Once you hit send, let ChatGPT do the magic. When you're happy with the result, copy the first image prompt and then move on to the next step. Step 2. Download HitPaw Edimakor. Next, download HitPaw Edimakor. You'll find the official download link in the description below. Once it's installed, open the software and let's start creating. Step 3. Create animated images. Inside Edimakor, click AI Image, then choose Image Generator. Here, you'll see a few options like Text to Image, Reference Image, and Image Restyler. For now, select Text to Image. Next, choose the Seedream4.0 model. Paste in the prompt you generated with ChatGPT, then set the resolution, aspect ratio, and output quantity. Once everything is ready, click Generate. After the first image is created, switch to Reference Image. Again, select Seedream4.0. This step is important because it helps keep your characters consistent throughout the entire story. Upload the image you just created, paste in your second prompt, adjust the settings, and hit Generate. Repeat this process to create all the images for your story. Once all your images are ready, it's time to turn them into animations. Step 4. Create animated videos. Right-click on one of the images you generated and select Image to Video. Choose the Google Veo 3.1 Fast model. Now, paste in the corresponding image to video prompt, then set the duration, resolution, and aspect ratio. Make sure to turn on Generate Audio. This helps make the video feel more lively and engaging. Hit Generate. Repeat the same process for all your images until you have all your video clips ready. After that, we'll move on to the final step. Step 5. Edit the final video. Go back to the home page and click AI Video Generator. Select Script to Video, then paste in your full script. Choose Local Media and click Generate Video. Now, import the video clips that match each part of your story. Turn on VoiceOver and choose a voice that fits the tone and vibe of your video. Enable subtitles. Pick a subtitle style you like and turn on background music. Feel free to swap out music tracks until you find one that works perfectly. Next, click Advanced Edit. Here you can make some quick adjustments to make sure your video looks great. You can also add transitions, sound effects to give your video a more cinematic feel. Once everything looks good, you're ready to preview the final result.
Long ago, God chose a kind young woman named Mary. An angel told Mary she would have a special baby, the Son of God. Mary and Joseph traveled to Bethlehem. That night, baby Jesus was born in a humble stable. Angels shared the good news with shepherds. Jesus was born to bring love, hope, and peace to the world. Merry Christmas.
If this tutorial helped, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.